This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but the warranty on the compressor, which is the heart of any air conditioner, is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R410, a refrigerant which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. They use a single hose which is not as energy efficient, as conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. They have electronic controls with a remote and sleep mode as well as a timer function. The units have manual louvers, which is not as good for circulating the air throughout the room. They offer a unit for heating as well as cooling with a 16,000 BTU capacity. The units are relatively loud when compared to other brands, as they have a 58 decibel noise rating. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.